Hello, this is Paul from EMD Automotive at Caringbah. Today I've got a Cayenne S V8 diesel. I'm doing the front brakes and I'm doing the front disc as well. So on this model they've got a right hand side and a left hand side, so you gotta make sure you look out for it, otherwise you can mix them up easily. But I measured this disc here is already 34.4 and the minimum is 34 mil if you look here. So it's getting really close, so I might as well do the disc now, otherwise it's gonna get low later, depending on how the customer drives the car. Alright, so I'm doing the disc and the brake pads. So there's a special tool to do the brakes, so to hold the calipers up. You can't use it, you can't do it normal, you can't use it without you can use it, I mean you can do it, but the thing is there's a brake line that you can damage. So if you don't have the special tool, it's really hard to do it properly, otherwise you'll break things. Alright, come back to the actual brakes. That's the brake pads. It's the old one if you look. Very low, not much left. I got the brand new one here. See how thick the meat is? The brand new brake pads. Alright, I'm putting the new brake pads and the brand new disc. Brand new disc here. So the disc is labeled right hand side and left hand side. So it's got to be right hand side driver side, left hand side the passenger side. Okay. And all this got to come off as well. So all this got to come off. So you got to do this to all four wheels. So you do one at a time. Takes a while to do, but you just got to take your time and get it done properly. All right. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.